Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show, Fernando.
Welcome to the show, guys.
Today is part 2 of the Lx500.4. On this show, we're going to hook it up on the Amp Dyno and see what kind of performance numbers we can get out of it. Let's get started. Alright, certified dyno run 4 ohm, and that got us a 174 and a 175. Let's reset and see what it does at 2 ohm. Wow, 299 and 297. Let's reset for uncertified dyno run. Got us a 172 and a 173. Let's do 2 ohm now. Bringing us a 296 and a 302 at 2 ohm. Let's do my favorite, dynamic power run, 4 ohm. And that got us a 167 and a 171. Let's reset for 2 ohm. 296 and a 323. Let's bridge it and see what she'll do. Certified dyno run, 4 ohms. Wow, that got us 523 and 532 watts. Let's reset and do uncertified. And that got us a 517 and a 527. And let's do my favorite, dynamic power run at 4 ohm. And that got us a 566 and a 587. This thing is a monster. So if you're looking for a big 4-channel amplifier, compact size, definitely check this guy out at kicker.com. But for now, that's it. Fernando?
On to the next one, guys.
You guys have a great night as always, and we'll see you later next time.
Bye.